Any experienced or professional trader can tell you that trading can be a very profitable business. But there's a great deal of risk involved, which means the chances of losing your money is just as great. It's even harder to deal with when someone else loses your money, especially if they work for a big bank. That was what happened with Nick Leeson. Famous and successful day trader? Perhaps notorious is a better word to describe Nick Leeson. Leeson made headlines for the wrong reasons. Leeson was a rising young trader at England's Barings Bank in 1995 until he lost $1.3 billion of the bank's money in risky derivatives and unauthorized derivatives trades, which led to the bankruptcy of Barings Bank, one of the UK's oldest financial institutions. Barings Bank was an exclusive bank, known for serving British elites for more than 200 years. It was a symbol of prestige and tradition. Nick Leeson, however, changed its story forever. Leeson had previously worked at JP Morgan and was shocked to find, when he joined Barings, how out of touch with reality the bank had become. Instead of fixing the issue, Leeson exploited it. He was eventually sent to Singapore, where he made his name on the trading floor. In one of the most shocking financial scandals in history, Nick Leeson single-handedly brought down the 233-year-old Barings Bank in 1995. Leeson earned the infamous nickname Rogue Trader for his unauthorized and risky speculative trading activities. Through fraudulent trades and false accounting, Leeson caused losses that amounted to more than £800 million, bankrupting Barings Bank. Leeson took advantage of lax regulatory oversight in the Financial Futures Association of Japan and exploited it to carry out his fraudulent activities. To conceal his mounting losses, Leeson created a fictitious error account known as 88888, where he would hide his failed trades. Leeson went to great lengths to cover his tracks, falsifying documents and creating fake trades to hide his massive losses. Leeson successfully evaded detection for several years, despite taking highly risky positions and engaging in fraudulent transactions. Leeson successfully evaded detection for several years, despite taking highly risky positions and engaging in fraudulent transactions. In the early stages, Leeson's speculative trades yielded significant profits, leading to substantial bonuses and promotions. Leeson justified his trades as risk management strategy, but in reality, he was taking highly speculative positions in the futures market. Leeson's downfall began with the 1994 Kobe earthquake, which had a major impact on the financial markets and caused Leeson's initial losses, which spiraled out of control. Faced with mounting losses, Leeson doubled down on his failed trades, hoping to recoup his losses as the market bounced back. Driven by greed and overconfidence, Leeson took increasingly larger positions, ignoring risk management principles. Desperate to recover the losses he had incurred, Leeson engaged in highly risky option trades, which only exacerbated his financial troubles. Following the collapse of Barings Bank, Leeson fled to Malaysia, initially evading capture and seeking refuge from the authorities. Leeson's time on the run came to an end when he was arrested in Frankfurt, Germany, and later extradited back to Singapore to face trial. After being convicted of fraud and forgery, Leeson was sentenced to 6.5 years in a Singapore prison. Upon his release, Leeson wrote an autobiography, Rogue Trader, which became a bestseller and was later adapted into a film. Leeson's story was brought to the big screen in the 1999 film, Rogue Trader, portrayed Nick Leeson's rise and fall, with Ewan McGregor playing the role of Leeson. After serving his sentence, Leeson began a new career as a motivational speaker, sharing his experiences and lessons learned from his notorious trading scandal. Leeson's story teaches us the importance of accepting our losses. Leeson hid his losses and continued to pour money into the market, chasing his losses. If he had accepted them and informed Barings, the catastrophic collapse might have been avoided. His actions exposed how little established banks knew about trading at the time, leading to significant regulatory changes. There are no shortcuts to success. If you trade like Leeson, you will eventually get caught. To summarize, accept your losses, don't cover them up. Don't gamble on the market, it's not a slot machine. Have a risk management strategy in place. And most importantly, never engage in illegal activities. Integrity and honesty are the foundations of true success in trading.